Hi there, I'm Terry Rose from Southern Cross University and the Cooperative Research Centre for High Performance Soils. I'm here at the Burramine Plains long-term field site where we are looking at trying to incorporate plant diversity into cropping systems to improve soil resilience. So at the trial site here, and as you can see behind me, we're in the wheat phase of a wheat canola rotation, and there are three main management options that we're trialling to see if we can get greater diversity of plants and in particular legumes into the system. So we're trialling summer cover cropping, which we've so far had 3 seasons of, and that will continue for another 3 years. We're trialling intercropping, so in the canola phase of the rotation we're going to be growing canola with a legume, in this case next year with field peas. And then we have temporary intercropping, where in the wheat phase of the rotation we're growing wheat with a range of legumes, and in this case we have wheat with a vetch temporary intercrop. So this is wheat sown at standard sowing rates, so we don't cut back on our seeding rate, but we just sow it in addition to the wheat seed. We've thrown in here 15 kilograms of vetch seed. And the aim is, well, there's 2 aims. One is hopefully we can fix a bit of additional nitrogen and try and support the wheat crop that way. And the second thing we're looking to do, in addition to improve soil functionality, is possibly change the rooting pattern of the wheat crop. So in some of our earlier studies we found that by having this companion plant with the wheat actually grew its roots deeper, and that could be quite valuable in spring, in a dry spring when we're searching for more water. We also found after we'd sprayed the vetch out, so this vetch usually grows somewhere 8 to 10 weeks, so it's sown with the wheat, and then we'll spray it out with a broadleaf spray just whenever the farmer takes out other broadleaf weeds. So after 8 to 10 weeks we'll spray it out. We then take measurements when the wheat reaches anthesis, and in some of our earlier work we found where the vetch was present we had more water under the wheat crop, deeper roots, and also more mineral nitrogen, presumably because the vetch had decayed and that protein or organic nitrogen had actually mineralised into ammonium and then nitrate. So we'll monitor this. This vetch crop is about to be terminated, so a broadleaf spray will go over the top. The reason it's about time to terminate is, even though it's wet, so they're probably not, the wheat and the vetch probably aren't competing for water. It's at the stage now where they're possibly competing for light. So we'll spray this out shortly. We'll measure the biomass produced and the nitrogen fixed by the vetch, and then we'll track the progress of the wheat crop. That's it for now.